Hey guys, do you know what that is?
Oh, look at that.
My daddy built it. It's called a remote control lawnmower. You can buy them, but why buy one when you can make it better?
Okay, so this is a project I've been working on, and it's a RC powered lawnmower. And what we have here is we have the 2 tires and motors that come off of a wheelchair, the 24 volt. Just we have a pole, goes all the way through each side on top of it. Mikah's going to demonstrate how to drive it. Okay, so first,
this is the remote control. This is how you turn it. This is the go.
So we're going to turn it on, and this lawnmower will not be running. The blade won't be moving or anything. We're just going to show it drive. So it's completely off.
This is the HK5X donut.
I'm going to show it go forward a little bit. There it goes. There we go. We got to turn it more. You got those anti-tip wheels down pretty far. Let's bring it back up. It takes a little bit getting used to it. Oh goodness. Yeah, it's really touchy on the controls.